Welcome to all our YouTube channel. Myself, Mr. Sagar Kohli, Assistant Professor at Maharani Ahilyabai Hodgar College of Pharmacy, Boradi. Today we are discuss multiple choice question on subject drugstore and business management. First question: efficiency ratio is also called as options are A. Activity ratio, B. Solvency ratio, C. Leverage ratio, D. Profitability ratio. Right answer is A. Next question: gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by question mark into 100. Right answer options are A. Sale, B. Net sale, C. Cost of goods sold, D. Current liability. Right answer is B. Dash 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 is statement and word to and by are not used. Options are A. Profit and loss account, B. Balance sheet, C. Trial balance, D. Ledger. Right answer is B. All loss and expenses of nominal account are recorded at options are A. Credit side, B. Ledger, C. Debit side, D. None of these. Right answer is C. Nominal partner is options are A. Below 18 years, B. Partner in profit, C. No share in investment and profit loss, D. Sleeping partner. Right answer is C. Joint stock company is governed by options are A. Industry Act 1951, B. Company Act 1956, C. Drug and Cosmetic Act 1945, D. All of above. Right answer is B. Large scale retail institution having different department under one roof are known as options are A. Customer cooperative store, B. Supermarket, C. Both A and B, D. Chain store. Right answer is B. The cost of insurance and loss in share due to wastage included in options are A. Inventory carrying cost, B. Setup cost, C. Ordering cost, D. Cost of material. Right answer is A. Fixed capital is options are A. Land, B. Building, C. Machinery, D. All of above. Right answer is D. Supply of domestic goods to foreign with a view to re-exporting them. Options are A. Export, B. Interport, C. Import, D. All of the above. Right answer is B. Cash sale are recorded in options are journal, B. Cash book, C. Sale book, D. Both A and B. Right answer is B. Which of the following is not current assets? Options are A. Cash, B. Bank, C. Debtors, D. Machinery. Right answer is D. Accounting is language of options are A. Chemistry, B. Science, C. Businessman, D. Business. Right answer is D. Balance sheet is statement. Options are A. Net profit, net loss, B. Assets, C. Liability, D. Both A and C. Right answer is D. How many branches of accounting are? Options are A 2, B 3, C 4, D 1. Right answer is B. In accounting, economic events are referred as options are A. Cash, B. Bank statement, C. Translation, D. Exchange of money. Right answer is B. The book in which business transactions are recorded on daily basis is called as options are A. Journal, B. Account, C. Ledger, D. Summer. Right answer is A. dash 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 is concerned with establishment of relationship between various items of financial statement. Options are A. Interpreting, B. Identifying transaction, C. Commerce, D. Analyzing. Right answer is D. Auditing is what? Options are A. Reporting the financial information, B. Examination of financial statement, C. Preparation of financial statement, D. Maintenance of ledger account. Right answer is B. What is basic accounting equation? Options are A. Capital plus liability is equal to assets. B. Assets plus liability is equal to capital. C. Capital plus assets is equal to liability. D. Liability plus capital. Right answer is A. The Carta enjoined Hindu family business has dash dash dash. Options are A. Limited liability, B. Unlimited liability, C. No liability for debts, D. Joint liability. Right answer is B. The capital of company is divided into number of parts, each one of which are called. Options are A. Dividend, B. Profit, C. Interest, D. Share. Right answer is D. A partner whose association with the firm is unknown to general public is called as. Options are A. Active partner, B. Sleeping partner, C. Nominal partner, D. Secret partner. Right answer is D. The board of directors of a joint stock company is elected by. Options are A. General public, B. Government bodies, C. Shareholders, D. Employees. Right answer is C. Short term loan is for. Options are A. Current assets, B. Current liability, C. Fixed assets, D. Fixed liability. Right answer is D. Profits do not have to be shared. This attainment refers to. Options are A. Partnership, B. Partnership, C. Sole proprietorship, D. Company. Right answer is C. Given the following are the source of primary data except. Options are A. Consumer, B. Periodical, C. Salesman, D. Dealers. Right answer is B. OTC drugs are. Options is A. Ethical drug, B. Prescription drug, C. Non-prescription drug, D. Non-ethical drug. Right answer is C. Trial balance is. Options are A. Ledger, B. Account, C. Summary, D. Statement. Right answer is D. Which technique is used to finalize the inventory? Options are A. EOQ, B. ABC analysis, C. Perpetual inventory control, D. None of these. Right answer is A. Net profit is added to. Options are A. Gross profit, B. Capital, C. Drawing, D. Assets. Right answer is B. After which test selection process, physical and medical examination are taken. Options are A. Employment test, B. Final interview, C. Reference check, D. Preliminary interview. Right answer is B. Chemist shop deals only in drug, so is an example of. Options are A. General store, B. Single line store, C. Street stall, D. None of above. Right answer is B. Function of management. Options are A. Controlling, B. Planning, C. Coordinating, D. All of above. Right answer is D. Following are the internal user of accounting except. Options are A. Owner, B. Management, C. Employee, D. Government. Right answer is D. An example of multiple shop is options are A. Bata, B. Duty free shop, C. Retail drug shop, D. Cosmetic shop. Right answer is A. Following are the other day book except options are A. Purchase book, B. Sale return book, C. Cash book, D. Sale book. Right answer is C. Following are included in functional middleman except options are A. Brokers, B. Retailer, C. Auctioneers, D. Wholesaler. Right answer is auctioneers. A. A proof of equality of debit and credit balance is called as options are A. Balance sheet, B. Journal, C. Leader, D. Trial balance. Right answer is D. His transaction has double effect is shown by options are A. Accept concept, B. Realization concept, C. Cost concept, D. Money measurement concept. Right answer is A. According to perpetual inventory control system, data is following type except options are A. Bin card, B. Store leader, C. Data card, D. Physical stock verification. Right answer is C. When firm maintain the cash book, it is not necessary to maintain. Options are A. Sale journal, B. Purchase journal, C. General book, D. Cash account in ledger book. Right answer is D. Voluntary farm is dash dash dash. Options are A. Extractive industry, B. Generic industry, C. Construction industry, D. Manufacturing industry. Right answer is B. Coding of item helps in options are A. Handling of store item, B. Standardization of drug, D. C. Reduction of drug, D. All of above. Right answer is A. The concept that business enterprise will not be sold or liquidated in the near future is known as options are A. Accounting period, B. Going concern, C. Cost, D. Money measurement. Right answer is B. Recording of transaction in the journal is called as options are A. Posting, B. Casting, C. Journalizing, D. Tallying. Right answer is C. The petty cashier works on dash 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 system. Options are A. Impress system, B. Dual aspect concept, C. Going concern concept, D. Actual concept. Right answer is A. The area required to open a retail drugstore is options are A. 90 to 100 square feet, B. 150 to 200 square feet, C. 50 to 80 square feet, D. 400 to 500 square feet. Right answer is A. This craft result when material become obsolete due to change in design. Options are A. Administrative scrap, B. Defective scrap, C. Legitimate scrap, D. Not used scrap. Right answer is A. Generally in business about dash 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 of working capital is involved in inventories. Options are A. 40%, B. 50%, C. 60%, D. 30%. Right answer is D. Thank you all.